Here's how to solve a system of nonlinear equations through the substitution method. If we're given two equations, x plus y equals 2 and y equals x squared minus 4, the first thing we're going to do is isolate the variables. So I'm going to rewrite these equations as x squared equals y plus 4 and y equals negative x plus 2. Now that we have our equations with isolated variables, we're going to take our y equals negative x plus 2 and we're going to plug it into our other equation. That will give us x squared equals negative x plus 2 plus 4. Now we'll combine our variables and we will be left with x squared equals negative x plus 6. If we put all of our numbers on the same side and set the equation equal to 0, we're going to be left with something we can factor. It'll look like x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Now that we're left with this, we can factor this into x minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. And now we can see that x can either equal 2 or negative 3. Now that we know that what x could be, we can solve for y. We're going to go back to our other equation and we're going to plug in each of our x's and see what y equals each time. So we'll take y equals negative x plus 2 and we'll plug in 2. So y equals negative 2 plus 2, which means y equals 0. And now we'll plug in negative 3 and we'll get y equals 3 plus 2, which is obviously 5, so y equals 5. That means that in this system of equations, of nonlinear equations, we can either have 2, 0, or negative 3, 5. And that is how you solve for a system of nonlinear equations through substitution.